Good day. Some of you might think that enabling a password on the Gallery app is enough to protect photos and videos. The fact is, anyone can still access photos and videos or various content in storage via the File Manager. So, what if we lock the Gallery and File Manager then? Is that enough? No, that's not enough. The reason is, someone can still install Gallery applications or other file managers from Google Play. I will give an example by installing this file manager, which is very light and only a number of megabytes. After the application is installed, I can immediately open it and use it to access photos and videos. As you can see, it's that easy to open photo and video files on this phone. Even though I have locked the Gallery and File Manager, not only photos and videos files will be exposed, but this newly installed Gallery app can also be used to share all these photos and videos. Horrible, isn't it? Does it mean that we also have to lock the Google Play Store so that no one can install applications on this phone? Of course not, because someone can still install applications offline by downloading an APK file using a web browser. So, how do you protect photos and videos or important files on this Android device from being easily stolen? Don't worry, I will show you how to protect your photos and videos and important data on your Android phone. First, open File Manager. Enter the password or pattern that you applied. Select the photos and videos you want to protect. Then, touch the More button on the bottom. Continue with tapping on the Make Private button. On the confirmation dialog, tap the Make Private button. Now, the system will notify you that the photos and videos that were selected earlier are saved in a private folder. We are also told how to access it. The trick is to pull down the File Manager Start page. Let's try. I'll pull down this page. As you can see, a lock icon appears. I'll release my touch. Before being able to access private files, we are asked to enter the correct password. That's it. The photo and video files that I previously private can now be accessed. All files are placed in the private folder. It will not be accessible from other applications, whether it's an email application and various other applications that will be installed. And always remember that applying a password on the lock screen will make your phone much more secure than just locking one or two apps. And before you miss it, kindly press the like button if you like these tips. And hit the subscribe button for more videos. See you in the next Droid Tips videos.